Welcome to Aquaria Smart Cloud. Here you may remotely control your heating and cooling devices. In the main screen, you can see the current settings of the different heating circuits and those of the hot water tank. Depending on the settings of your heating system, the main screen might look different. Activate or deactivate each zone or the hot water tank. You may choose the operation mode, heating, cooling, or auto by accessing to one of the heating zones. You may use the numeric mode or just slide the controller to reach your desired temperature in each setting. You can also set the temperature of the heating zone. Depending on the settings of your heating system, the displayed temperature might be the room temperature or the temperature of the heating water flow. You may also choose between the Eco mode to slightly adjust the settings to lower the energy consumption. The Comfort mode will also adjust the settings to increase the comfort of the room. Aquaria Smart Cloud records your energy consumption statistics, so you can check how much energy you spent in heating, cooling, and production of hot water. You may see differences when you compare indoor and outdoor temperatures. Monitor your consumption weekly, monthly, or annually. When setting the energy cost, Aquaria Smart Cloud will estimate how much you pay for the use of your Aquaria heat pump. Set the timer to increase the comfort and reduce the energy consumption. Aquaria Smart Cloud intuitive interface allows to do it in an easier way.
Panasonic.